What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna be doing another point of view video. This time I wanted to do it at night. I'm not sure how good the quality is gonna turn out for this video. I hope it's pretty good. I hope the wind isn't too much either. It's been pretty windy lately, so it kind of sucks. I know that can get in the way of the glorious exhaust sounds. I plan on shooting more videos and putting out more content and everything. The weather's actually just been, it was cold, and then I just had some things going on, family stuff. I had to get that stuff handled. But now I'm ready to get back on the grind and really start pumping out these videos. I'm like on high alert because I was watching out for cops, man. Fucking thirsty. We are next. I can't like just send it because there's so many lumps in the damn road. God damn. I don't know if you guys heard that. My freaking wheels, they squealed back there. What'd he say? What did that guy say? I'm scared. Damn, bro, I was about to do a pull, but I think this guy said Popo, and he pointed over there, but I didn't see anything. And then he just goes across, so obviously there's no cop behind me because the cop would have pulled him over. I don't know, that guy just activated some paranoia, bro. I don't even know what he said. But his car was super fucking nice, though.
A few moments later.
That sounded good. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for the video. This one was a lot of fun to make. Let me know if you actually enjoyed this one. I usually make my videos in the daytime, but I wanted to do something a little different, make this one at night. Little point of view video. Like, subscribe, do what you want. Just make sure you tune in for the next one. Deuces.